Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 19. Let us straight go to our quiz. A photosystem consists of a dash, 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 in bracket, a type of protein complex surrounded by light harvesting complexes. Reaction center complex. The dash, dash, dash in bracket, pigment molecules bound to proteins, close the bracket, transfer the energy of photons to the reaction center. Light harvesting complex. Solar-powered transfer of an electron from a chlorophyll A molecule to the primary electron acceptor. The first step of the light reactions. Photosystem II, PS2, functions first, in bracket, the numbers of refract order in discovery, and is best at absorbing wavelength of 608 nanometers. During the light reaction, there are dash possible routes for electron flow. Two, cyclic and linear. Photosystem I, PS1, is best for absorbing the wavelength of 700 nanometers. The transfer of the energy of photons to the reaction center. Pigment molecule bound to proteins. Light harvesting complex. Accessory pigments called dash absorb excess light that would change chlorophyll. Carotenoids. The main photosynthetic pigment. chlorophyll A. Dash are substances that absorb visible light. Pigments. Photosynthesis is an dash process. Endagonic. Connected sacs in the chloroplast, which compose the third membrane system. Thylakoid. Chloroplast splits dash, incorporating the electrons of the hydrogen into sugar molecules and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Water. Dash molecules of carbon dioxide plus dash molecules of water plus light energy gives dash molecules of glucose and dash molecules of oxygen. Six molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water, 1 molecule of glucose, and 6 molecules of oxygen. During the light reactions, there are dash possible routes for electron flow and dash and dash. Two possible routes, the cyclic and the linear. Dash electron flow, the primary pathway, involves both photosystems and produces ATP and NADPH using light energy. Linear. Electron flow use only Photosystem I and produces ATP, but not dash, no dash is released. NADPH, oxygen. Some organisms such as dash, dash, dash have Photosystem I but not Photosystem II. purple sulfur bacteria. The Calvin cycle uses the chemical energy of ATP and NADPH to reduce carbon dioxide to dash. Sugar. Carbon enters the cycle as carbon dioxide and leaves as a sugar named glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, in bracket G3P. For net synthesis of 1G3P, the cycle must take place dash times, fixing 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. Three. The Calvin cycle has dash phases. 3. CRR. Dear friends, thank you very much for trying out Biology Master 19. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye for now.